Hello friend. So next Java program is related to find the largest of three number. So we have given three numbers and we have to find the that is biggest number that are present in this. So we have given an input like A equal to 20, B equal to 40 and C equal to 10. So we have to return the maximum number that is largest number. So that will be 40. So we have to do that. So we are going to solve in different ways. So let's start with the program directly. So first of all, we'll try to create the main class that has a main method or that will run this application. So that is why we have to take the main method also. And we are going to create the that is we are going to create the main method and also we are going to create another method that will check the element is greater or not. That also we are going to do that. And we are going to solve this application with the two approach. That will be first is a normal approach that is if else, and we are to going to take the another help of collection. That also we are going to solve in that manner. So first we are going to take the input from user that is scanner sc equal to new scanner, and we have to import that also that is present in the java.util package. And after that we have to pass the system.in because we are taking the input from user. So that is the only thing we have to pass. If you pass the string type like is in a string, so it is not going to take the input. So we have to pass that is system.in, that is the input stream technique. So that is why. And after that, we have to give the instruction to the user that we have to enter the first number, and then we have to just store that number equal to a equal to sc dot that is next method. So that is present in the scanner class that will take the input from user in integer format, and we have to store that in an int. And we have to close that, and after that we have to take the input of b, that is enter the second number, and we have to also store that in b equal to sc dot next in it, and we have to take this third number, enter the third number, and we have to store that c dot next in. And after that, we have to just create the another method that will check this. So I'm going to create that is in private because we don't want to get this method outside this class. That is why I'm taking this as a private. And also I'm going to take as a static because I don't want to create this class every time. I just want to use this class without creating this class as an object. So that is why I'm taking the as a static. Then I'm going to give the return type as integer because we have to return the maximum number. So I'm going to give as an integer, and then I will give as largest number as a method name, and I will take that as integer a comma integer. Just maximize this integer b integer c, opening and closing bracket. And after that, I have to just give the if and else condition. So first of all, I will give first condition that is if my a is greater. So I will check that if a is greater than b, I have to use and operator because I have to check the both with the both what you say both integer. So that is why I have to use and and I have to just give a is greater than c. So it is if my a is greater. So if my a is greater, so I have to a will be maximum for b and c. So I have to just give the condition and I have to return a. For next condition, if my B is greater. That means B is greater than A and my B is greater than C. So this is the condition. I have to just return B. And if you give else if, that means what do you say for C? So I have to just give C is greater than B and C is also greater than A. That means my C is greater. So I have to just return what you say C. And else condition, if my all the numbers are equal, so I have to just return one of them. So I will return as A directly because all the integers are my equal. So I can return the integer. So that is the thing. So this is the example. I have used the if and else conditions. And we have to just pass this integer. So I will call the main method. To call the that is this method, we have to first call the class name because it is a static, and we can directly call this method by using this. And we have to pass A, comma B, comma C. And we are getting a return type, so we have to store that also equal to that is in integer, and I'm going to give a result, and I'm going to print the result. That is the largest number is plus result. So it will print the result, and we just pass the input in this format, and we are applying taking the this method for to check the largest number. So this is the thing, and I'm going to run this application. So first of all, I will enter the a value that is I will check that what is the first value is 20. Then second value is 40 and third value is 10. And I'm going to give, enter the application and it will give the largest number is 40. And if you want to check for these also, so you can do that also. So I'm going to pass the all the values same, that is 10, 10, 10, and it is going to give 10 as a result because all the values are same. So, and if you want to see this next example, that is by using collection. So just we have to pass create first we have to create the collection that is list. We have to create as a list and pass the data type as integer, and we have to just create the list equal to new array list, and we have to pass that list dot add a, then list dot add b, and then list dot add c, and we have to just return collections dot max, and we have to pass the list, and it is going to give our correct result. So I just wanted to save this, and we have to just run the application. We have to first enter first value is 20, then 40, then 10, and it will give you the maximum. So this is the thing to create, check the largest number and get that. So this is the program. We have to do in this manner also, and you can also use the if and else condition also. So thank you.